have got the fuck up on that nigga. You wasn't? You said go. Scat Pack thought he was gonna get off. Word, my boy. Yes, sir. You got the tangerine bitch out.
Yeah, I see it, bro. Got the can bitch out. I've been in like 60 exits and shit. Like
bro,
that.
Don't worry about that, bro. Don't worry about that, bro. Damn. Shit ain't shit up with me, man. You low-key need to grab some Brimbos on that bitch. Low-key. I need some Brimbos on this bitch, too. I ain't put them on yet. Your shit still on? Your shit still on?
Hell no.
I was about to say, I can't even hear your shit, nigga. I was about to say, I can't even hear your shit. Man. This nigga crazy. This nigga had tape over his something.
I said, bro, what the fuck? But it was too late, bro. I ain't give a fuck. Once I seen it, I'm like, bro, this fucking come on. I ain't got time to wait.
Man. Let me turn my shit off. I'm wasting hella gas.
What your shit get? I forget it.
My shit still get 12.
That should be running out fast though.
Yeah, if I punch that bitch all the time, you know, I can shift at 6,500 now. He inspired me to get my shit wrapped instead of painted. That's crazy. That's crazy.
I ain't gonna lie, you see, bro, the gas station about to break.
I gotta get my shit wrapped.
I remember the last time he broke my ass.
You still got stock this?
Hell yeah.
Damn, man. You tripping. So my nigga got stock diff, but he got a tune. He got the same. So we got the same exhaust system. You ain't got no tune?
No.
Damn. See, look, bro. This nigga just out here. Nigga out here naked as hell.
I'm doing the pretty work. You know what I'm saying?
This is exactly why.
Inside, you went inside first, all that shit.
Yeah.
You about to slowly come over this side, outside, and shit like that. So
I'm about to, for sure.
I'm about to go inside there in a minute. You know what I'm saying? But next year, that's why I don't know if I'm really gonna do it though. Because I really want to come catch one next year.
But then, nigga, that's what I'm saying. That's why I did 5.7 content, because you put a cat blower on the 5.7.
Yeah, I want to do that.
People watch that more.
Only reason why I didn't do it, I mean, I don't want to do that because that shit, like, fuck with bro shit. Barely hear the wine. I want to hear my wine and shit, you know, the wine.
Bro, you gotta get your shit tuned right, bro.
No, but I don't know. It's either or. That's still up in the air. I ain't saying for sure that's what we're gonna do, but
You hear that?
that's an option. That's an option though. So
I'm about to add some more shit. Holly intake. I gotta do forced induction after that. And I'm gonna do the E85. Put some corn in this bitch. Cause what my mechanic told me is basically, would I rather burn $2.85 or $4.50? So when you put it to me like that, I'm like, you right. But yeah, this grill ass. I was supposed to paint this bitch before I came out here, but I sat there and bullshitted the whole time. Typical shit I do. But yeah, man, we about to get it in with Speedy. We was gonna do a side by side, but I already know the outcome. You got your shit lowered too? He got his shit lowered too. I'm still on stock. Damn, I'm still on stock suspension. I don't know if I should lower it too much, but low key the back on his shit versus the back on my shit, that should look kind of ass compared to his. Oh, yo ass be doing them little one things. When they be adding the music on it.
yeah. You don't do that shit?
No, I don't ever do that shit. I should. Hold on, let me do one then.
The fashion line, now his first got put all on the shirt. Like a broke washing machine, niggas never stand. He got off the bed to go and die, put him to sleep again. 2 Glocks, 1 Drake and ARP, bitch, that's my daily kit. I can't chill until I smoke a head, bitch, that's my daily.
Yeah, man, still have these stickers on there. Wow. This came off pretty easy. Appreciate y'all. Alright, bro. Me and Speedy out. The crack window, yeah, man. I still got cracked window. Shit, hold on, do like that. Yeah, man. We're about to get it in. I'm about to show him why he should have did performance instead of looking cute. But shit, he could look cute all he wants to. We know what's gonna happen. We about to go to the legendary Frank Road though. And then we probably gonna hit a little race. I need an alignment, don't say nothing about it. Walk! You say your shit dead. My shit down there dead too. Hop in front of me. It's always a nigga, man. Y'all niggas, man, but this the real boys right here, cause that's too far. That's in front of the police station. That nigga was looking at me crazy as hell. He see my phone in my hand. I'm like, damn, but I ain't got no windshield tint. I'm already knowing he ain't get me. He gonna grab you before he grab me. Shit. But yeah, man, I ain't see that last footage when me and Speedy was cutting up, and then another car, I think it was a 392 came out of nowhere, started dogging our ass. But that was before the cam and shit. Damn. Big wide ass turn. Damn, look at that nigga on Speedy ass. It's a nigga right on his ass. About to snatch that nigga bumper off. I don't know if I can see that shit. I'm about to crash. All types of shit. Alright, man, we here. Damn. Y'all niggas gay. Demolition site. Keep out. So now y'all trying to demolitiate the motherfucking church? Man, stop playing. They trying to demolish. Man, stop playing me, bro. Them Chrysler niggas doing this shit, bro. They trying to demolish the spot. I ain't here.
But I
Man, I want a steering wheel too, low key.
I wish we had one more person so we can get some outside. Fuck it.
Alright, bet. You ready?
Yeah.
That bitch spun the whole time.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that bitch was spinning the whole time, yo. I ain't gonna lie. I think I caught that shit. That bitch was spinning like a motherfucker. Hey, this bitch I fuck with it, yeah.
I'm gonna do a roll on. I'm gonna do like what?
Rolling one right here.
That bitch going crazy.
I gotta see a flyby too though. We gotta see this flyby. One little flyby. Cause we trying to get a race in too real quick. So before these niggas pull up and shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you wash your car.
So we about to get a flyby from him so we can see how it look going past us. I wanna see this shit. I remember last time y'all told me to get inside view and shit like that. I ain't get an inside view, but I got an inside view today. This shit, not my shit.
Hey, you can get my outside too? You can get my outside too? Alright, we got both. I'm recording for him. Let's get this shit. Trouble, y'all. The boys gonna get on our nerves.
That bitch too loud. I'm not gonna lie, Chad. That bitch is too loud. Alright, so look, bro. We about to get the races done right now, so we gotta hurry up and get up out of here and shit like that. Cause them niggas be coming. I'm not gonna lie. They be calling that shit in. Damn. It's sprinkling, bro. Why? Why is it raining? Why y'all want a dick suck right now though? The rain want a dick suck right now, bro. Say it want to rain now and shit. All that little sprinkle shit. That shit want to sprinkle and shit.
Man, sprinkling shit now, man. It ain't stopping shit. Damn. Say what? My shit getting hot. I said it's getting hot, so we gotta make this quick. Alright, bet. Down there? Down there? We're gonna turn around right here, and then we can turn around right here. Yep. My shit slid the whole time. Dog, bro, I don't know why I can't get crashing on traction over here. I need bigger tires. Man. One more time, you wanna do a roll? You wanna do a roll? We do a 40 roll. All right, bet. Got the fuck off on that damn. You wasn't? No, you said go. No, I didn't. You didn't? Bitch. Oh, let's do it again. One more. All right, bet. Turn around. He said he ain't beat the horn, but shit. I thought shit. I thought he said go. I said we at 40. He said all right, bet. This time, third horn? All right, bet. No wonder I got off on his ass. All right, bet. I was happier than the bitch. Oh, I was happier than that bitch. I'm like, that bitch slow. Come on. Alright, bro, that was the last one, bro. That's it. My shit gonna die if I do another one. I got it, bro. Come on, man. Get your performance together, bro. We gonna catch him, bro. Alright, nigga. It's always great seeing my people come up, seeing my people win. You know what I'm saying? My nigga Speed, he done did shit on this bitch. I've been doing my shit on my shit, I think. Oh, shit. That's really like the first time I heard this bitch all video, for real. The first time they heard your shit, the whole video. The first time they heard your shit, the whole video. On that nigga ass. Scat Pack thought he was gonna get off on
me and Dre on the flight locked in. Pull up playing in that whip, you gon' get boxed in. Never pressed by the bitch, I hit niggas top 10s. On my way back to the city, bitch, I gotta clock in.
I mean A at the O, yeah, we dropped about 10. Freaky bitches at the B&B, I want the best friend. Say you